Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. Woohoo! You see that? Woohoo! I got on my LSU. But I know. Don't be going on about my team and everything. But the free merchandise lady is glad that you are here because guess what? I got something wonderful for you. For those who don't know me, I'm the free merchandise lady. I'm about you saving money, making money, and getting things for free. Especially if you're a mom, a college student, this is the best channel for you. Yes, it is. Now, I got something great. And not just it's fun, but it's a great way to make extra money. I'm not talking about you making a whole lot of money, just extra money that you can have in your pocket to do certain things. Because guess what? It things are real tight right now, and we don't know what's gonna happen next. But the free merchandise lady is here to help. Now, well, guess what? Like this is a fun website. I'm about to tell you. I don't know if you ever heard of it, but it's called Zap Surveys. Woo! Zap. Look at the name, even sound fun. Zap Surveys. And look at it. You can do your surveys. You see, I got my money there. It adds up. Now, you could cash out at $25. That's the cash out part. But guess what? It's not bad at all. I love this survey site. It adds up real quick, and then the surveys are fun. They are really fun. And look at this. Let's see. Okay, I already turned. You see the payout? Well, you see what I need to go to get an Amazon card. And you see how much I need to get a Visa card. But it is great. I like I said, I'm not about a lot of sites might have on there about you make hundreds of dollars, all that. That's just not, that's false. I'm showing you real deal extra money that you can have in your pocket. You might want to treat yourself to a movie. You might want to treat yourself to a coffee. Speaking of coffee, don't forget to check out my Starbucks How to Get Starbucks for Free video. Free merchandise later. Don't forget. And you might want, who knows, you might want to take yourself out to lunch, or I know the place I love to go. I love to go to Chili's. And then I should say, you could look at your favorite sports team, LSU, or anything like that. Um, it's like I say, it's a fun site, and they always have fun. And I would say reasonably short surveys. What I do is I try to do the short ones first, and then work my way up. And then when you do them, this is what I do. I said like 30 minutes. Let's say I could do 30 minutes today and see how many um, surveys I could do in 30 minutes. And it adds up. Look at that. I got $8.62. And I try to do some each day. Another 25, then 25 again, 25, 25. Just keep on cashing out. Just keep on cashing out. And I had that little extra money. And the link, I got the link right here, but I'm going to have it below where you could get started. This Zap surveys have been out. I don't know. I've been with them over a year. And it's a pretty good site. They real quick about paying you out. And if you love Amazon, this is a great place to be for you to earn, you know, your gift card. And then a Visa card where you can order things online. Great way to do it. Zap surveys. And just a minute, you could just keep on ordering 25, 25, 25, cashing out 25, 25. I mean, think about it. And then, your friend asks you, where you get that, let's say, outfit or whatever? Oh, just a little something I just got. I said, You must where you get money from? Well, just doing a little something, something. And then, the whole time you doing what? Zap surveys. This is a great way. That's how I see it. That's what I tell my friends. Like, everybody else struggling. Where you get extra money from? I do surveys because let me tell you, it all started because I shop too much, and my husband said about me shopping online. So I came up with this strategy about, hey, you could really make money from surveys and things now. I say, it's a lot of good, honest ones out there. And I said, whoa, this is a good way. And that's how I shop now. Now, I ain't saying every shopping experience is, I get it from here, but I try to get a lot of my shopping experience from here. And that way I get my Amazon card and whatever I want to get on my Visa card. This is a great way. And like I said, free to join. I will have the link below. And again, this is the free merchandise lady. I got some other videos for you to check out. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time.